Most people's money beliefs come from what they've been told growing up. But what if those beliefs are actually keeping you broke? There are financial lies that have been passed down for generations, and if you keep following them, you'll never build real wealth. Here are the biggest money lies you've been told, and what you should be doing instead. Lie number 1. Saving money will make you rich. The truth. Saving alone will never make you wealthy. Inflation eats away at cash sitting in a bank, and most savings accounts offer terrible interest rates. While saving is important for an emergency fund, real wealth comes from investing. Instead of only saving, put your money into stocks, real estate, or businesses that actually grow in value. Lie number 2. All debt is bad. This is one of the biggest money myths. Bad debt, high interest credit cards, payday loans keeps you broke, but good debt, low interest mortgages, business loans, and investment leverage can help you grow wealth faster. The wealthy use debt strategically while the middle class avoids it and stays stuck. Lie number 3. A college degree guarantees success. A degree can help in some careers, but blindly taking on student debt without a clear return on investment is dangerous. The truth is, many high-income jobs don't require a degree, and some graduates end up drowning in debt with no real financial advantage. Instead of assuming college is the only path, focus on skills that actually pay. Lie number 4. Owning a home is always the best investment. People are told to buy a house as soon as possible, but in reality, homeownership isn't always the smartest move. If your mortgage, taxes, and maintenance costs eat up all your income, you could be house poor. Renting and investing the difference can sometimes build wealth faster than locking all your money into a house. Lie number 5. You need a high income to get rich. The truth? Wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and invest. Many people with six-figure salaries are still broke because they spend everything they make. Meanwhile, people with average incomes can become millionaires by investing consistently and avoiding lifestyle inflation. The bottom line: if you want to build real wealth, stop believing outdated money myths. The rich play by different financial rules. They invest, use good debt, and focus on assets. The sooner you change your money mindset, the faster you can build real financial freedom.